such a mad rush because the bin men came and we forgot to put the bins out. Good morning. I am tired today. I'm so sleepy. I'm still catching up, to be honest, with my body and life. It's very beautiful outside. I don't know if I can show you. That's all we're getting. But it's very beautiful outside. Quite icy and frosty, but very pretty. So I'm just back at my desk. And I keep thinking it's Tuesday, but it's not, because I came back to work yesterday, which was Wednesday. So it's Thursday. Hope your week's going really well. I just had my morning meetings, and now I'm going to go downstairs and make another cup of tea, my second cup of tea of the day. And I've got these little frozen croissants in the freezer, so I think I'm going to make one of those as well. And then back to my desk. But before I do that, I was going to unbox some headphones that came yesterday, which are the Bose Open earbuds. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm really excited. I've been looking at these for ages. They are in the colour White Smoke. Oh my god, I love unboxing stuff. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, that's a very satisfying little box. I really wanted to try these because with my ears, I don't like putting like earbuds in my ears because number one, it's uncomfortable, but also I feel like it's so much harder when you've got tinnitus to like listen to music through like the little earbuds that go in your ears, because it like blocks everything else out. Whereas these obviously keep your ear open a little bit, so you can kind of hear the world around you but have like really good music, and that is perfect for me. So I'm really hoping these work well. I do have like noise cancelling over the headphones, but you know, you just want like something like little and discreet for work, or like if you're going out for a walk or something. Anyway, I love all these little bits that come with headphones and stuff. I find them really fun. This is the old ASMR artist in me. Oh, look how cute. That is so sleek. They're so pretty. Oh, they're really pretty. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, that's cool. They're like magnetised in there, so that bit sticks. And then, I guess, don't actually know how they work yet. Oh, look. They're like little... Hello? Excuse me, how do you work? Oh, it's got a diagram. It's got a little diagram there. So it goes... That bit goes behind, that bit goes in. That's my left ear. Hang on. Oh god, I've got hair in the way now. Oh, it's talking to me. Ooh! Oh my god, how cool. I love these. Okay, I'll test them out in a little bit. First of all, breakfast. Then I'm going to test them. And then I'll let you know what I think, because they are cool. Whew. Oh my god, I just had to do such a mad rush because the bin men came and we forgot to put the bins out. So I literally just hand delivered the bin man my recycling bin. and then I didn't know what to do, so I just waited while he put it on the thing, and then he brought it back to me. But he was really, really nice. He looked like Peter Andre. He was like the Peter Andre of bin men. He's lovely anyway. And then he was like, here you go, take care. It's like, oh god. It's so hard for me to remember stuff sometimes. I just forget things all the time. Right, breakfast. So I was saying, I've got these little croissants. I love these. These are Tesco ones, but I'm pretty sure like everyone makes them. They're almond croissants, which is my favourite. And you just whack them in the oven. Or the air fryer. Can you do air fryer? You can do everything in an air fryer, right? So I'm going to put the air fryer, here she is, oh, on, I think I did bake last time, but I don't know if that's correct. so bad with stuff like this. I feel like bake, but it needs longer because it's like 20 minutes. That'll work. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah, I think that's done. Hello. Right, we are back. We have tea. We have a giant croissant. I am now going to connect these headphones to my phone because I was just watching Jess Harris on YouTube, who I just discovered end of last year, and I absolutely love her. She's also 31, same as me, and she vlogs like her 9 to 5 London office job, so I love watching her. So yeah, I'm going to connect her to this. Twiggy's just put like 1,000 figures into my password, because she loves to walk on my laptop, don't you? Can we not, please? Thank you. Connect these up and eat my breakfast, go through my emails and tickets, make notes of what I'm going to do for today, and test these bad boys out. It's now lunchtime, and it's such a gorgeous day outside that Joe and I have decided to meet in our local park, which has a really nice cafe, so we're going to go have some lunch together and yeah, just break up the day a little bit. Got some lunch. Cheese and onion toasty, cheese chips, cheese and ham toasty. Yum. Good evening again. Just back from Lidl, and I am going to finish editing my surgery vlog. So I'm going to do that now. I would film me doing this, however I need to get the memory card out of the camera. So yes, I will probably do this for a bit and then I will check back in with you. But Joe's cooking dinner and have a very nice chilled night in, so I will catch up with you soon. Let's see what masterpiece Joe's made. What have you made? Is it chicken parm?
What did I learn?
Chicken parm. Chicken parm. Where's the chicken parm? In there.
Oven, right?
In the chicken oven. In the chicken oven. Played it, bitch. Ralph wants chicken parm.
And we want employees who understand the lifestyle and the message. So,
Good evening. So I thought I'd just finish the vlog here because... Oh, hi, Ralph. We just had a very chilled evening, and to be honest, I finished my vlog. We had dinner. Then we watched 2.5 episodes of The Girls, and then I've just been basically just doom scrolling a little bit. Hello Ralphie! Giving Ralphie lots of tickles. Yes, because he's gorgeous. And I'm just literally gonna have a shower, have a shower, do my skincare, and probably get into bed and read before bed. But thank you very much for watching this little day in my life. It wasn't super exciting, but it was full of lots of lovely moments, and that is what I enjoy in life. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you very soon. Bye!